Hey, nobody's on our team. It's me and you. It's just me and you. I can't tell if that's somebody down there or if it's just... Huh? Down here, down this cutout? They're down there in the weeds. Down this tree line, the cutout. Good shit, bud. I got one right here, danger close, one over there, but there's two all the way in the back. Down this cutout to the left. I got one over there earlier, but I haven't... Evidently.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that's the rules. I'm coming. Yep, get your feet, mate. I didn't know that's the rules. They're not your team. Not here. We recommend you stay together. You won't know who's on what team.
Bud, danger close. Right over the berm. Right over the berm, bud. Huh? I don't know how this works with them.
You said what?
I don't know how it works with y'all being on our team or not.
You shot us out and he tags back in. Now we're in your team, I guess.
I don't know if that's how it works or not.
I have no idea.
That's rough. So right past this pine tree thing right in front of me, they're over the berm right behind another one of these. Yeah, I know.
shit.
No, not really. This is my first time playing here, so.
Just to the right of the berm. Try and peek his head out.
Grenade.
Oh, fucking hell.
That was on the other side of the berm. What's the I don't even.
I guess we're back in?
I don't know if it's immediate or not.
Yeah, I don't know what's over that. Is there a respawn place?
I don't think they're for this game. I think our team is supposed to hit each other, but I don't know if it's immediate or not. Okay. I think it's immediate because there's so many people.
Yeah.
They could clear a team out pretty easily.
Bud, you got shots on him?
Good God.
Thank God. I thought that was coming right from the
I thought I was screwed.
Is the respawn rate immediate though?
Hey, that motherfucker's standing right there the whole time. On his fucking hit. Hit! Keep him. Heavy. I'm good. That motherfucker is not going to hit. Very good.
My gun's not shooting. There it goes.
How do you hit it?
My gun's acting up again.
You gonna call that one? Thank you.
I don't know if he.
What happened?
I have no idea.
Did we lose our friend?
What happened?
Yeah, I think we lost him.
Is that one gone? What happened to the other guy? He's on the team now? I'm about to run across you.
Alright, go. The one's down. Y'all are both out, right? I said y'all are both out, right? Got me.